Okay, hi you guys. So I finished some of the projects I got recently, and these are the gnome projects I got. So this was from day 10 of Jenny's countdown to Christmas. And then I got this other project from Annie's Holiday Quilt Club. I think that's what I could, Annie's Holiday Quilters Club. This one I just really didn't get. It's candle mats, and they're much bigger than the candles on display. Not my thing, and I don't really like gnomes, but they're really cute. Like, the fabric is really cute. And then this one, it's another gnome. This is actually a little bit cuter than the other one. I loved the design of the pillow and how it was put together. So I combined them a little bit. I used the fabric from this, at least a lot of the fabric. I still have a ton left. And I used the appliques, but cut it my way. So if you'd like to see what I did, keep on watching. Okay, so I am not the best at applique, and I really need to practice it more. I spent some time practicing, and when I did practice on some of the stars just to see what I might be doing wrong, and I learned a few things. One of the main reasons I don't like applique is I don't like cutting out all the little pieces. The reason I can quilt and put stuff together, excuse me, I got a little tickle in my throat. The reason I like to quilt is that you can cut things really fast with the rotary color, even small pieces, and especially if you use pre-cuts, you can really put a design together and see your progress really quickly. I don't really like cutting the pieces, but I had an idea to use my Cricut machine and the rotary blade on that to cut the applique pieces from this down into something else. So that's what I did. I used my Cricut and cut these down. It was a little tricky, and I had to practice on some other pieces to get it, and I still made some mistakes, but I did get a design together that I liked with my pieces, and this is what I came up with. And I think it is really darling. You can see I'm not the best at applique. There's some mistakes, but hey, it'll hold together. I just thought it came out darling. I wish I had been able to get a little bit more of the buffalo plaid in, but you can still see it, and it's really cute. So the only other color for applique I had to bring in was the orange for the nose, and I actually had that from my October Annie's quilt, holiday quilters. I had some orange left over from that, from the pot holders. That's the only other thing I had to bring in aside from the button eyes, but I love him. He's really cute. And the this like sparkly, I don't know if you can see the sparkly silver background, and the snowflake were from the Annie's Quilters box, and it's also on the back. And oh, I have a hanging string. And then the border is the same as the middle. So I used the exact same pattern for the pillow as in the Stars for Sven, I think it's called. Yes, Stars for Sven. I used the same pattern. All I did was I cut out a square from this gray silver, and I attached the joy, and then I just put on a bigger border and cut it to the requirements to make the pillow in that pattern. And I'll include a little bit of a video to show cutting out the joy, and if anybody's interested in that, I think I am able to share the link to this project that I did putting it together, and I can put that in the description, because I think I can share links if I make and save this project public, so that you can get the template to cut out. And if you customize it, you can make it whatever size you want. You don't have to make it as small as this. So that is my project. I really love it. I think it is super cute. And let me know what you think. There was a lot of fabric left over from it, and I hate wasting fabric, but at least I have a design that I really like. And my son actually really likes it too. He already asked if he can have this pillow for his room. One thing I like about this design too, and I've never thought to do it, even though I have purchased accent pillows like this, is that I can take the pillow form out and easily store this for the holidays. So, well, after the holidays are over. So anyways, I'll share a little bit of the video of making this on my Cricut, the cutouts. And yeah, so that's it. So I'll put that video in. So be sure to watch that and see how I put this together. Okay, so I'm trying to use my Cricut to recut my Gnome material from my Jenny's Countdown to Christmas box. I don't really want to make the Gnome project, so here is my effort to try to redo it. So let's see if it works out. So I realized that the fabric stuck better to the mat if I placed it fabric side down. So what I did was I mirrored the image before I cut it. So as you can see, I reversed the image on my Cricut because the paper that they used here, the fusible, did not want to stick to my mat and the fabric, so I had to improvise. So let's see if I can get these apart easily. The only thing I don't like from doing this is all of the trash, but keep watching because I think that what I cut out is really, really cute. Okay, so how cute is this gonna be? So I'm gonna add on details for the eye. I haven't decided yet if I'm gonna hand stitch or get little buttons and then a mouth. But I think this is gonna be really cute. And I'm gonna border this square with this snowflake fabric and to get it to size, and if I have enough, I'm going to hopefully use it for the back of the pillow as well. And this might be my binding for the pillow or for the back if I need it to be. I also have more of this that I could bind it with if I need to. Not really sure, but I'm going to make it work one way or another, but I think this is really cute. It is much more my style than the little gnome. I had a lot of this fabric left over, but, and I really hate wasting fabric, but I just wouldn't have got any use out of the gnome idea, and I think this is really cute. So I'm going to iron this applique on, get the border on the pillow, and finish it up. What do you think so far of the front of my pillow? I think it's really cute. Just need to figure out the eyes and the mouth before I move on.